Welcome to my channel. This is Soret Hall Studio, and today I'm going to be painting a watercolor home portrait for a client. This is going to be a very special gift. I first spent time doing an initial pencil sketch. Then I followed this by an ink sketch over the pencil. This is one of my favorite parts. After erasing the pencil lines and seeing what the ink lines look like, just getting ready to add some color to this design. One of the most important parts of watercolor painting is choosing the right watercolor brushes. In this case, I'm choosing the Lakey brushes. Today I'm choosing different sizes and different shapes to have different watercolor techniques on my painting. Once the sketch is finished, I take my time to match colors and create my palette. I then start to envision the painting. When the paint touches the paper, the illustration comes to life and something special is created. Watercolor is a beautiful media where pigments are suspended in a water-based solution, allowing the artist to create while the colors are still wet. Once the art is dry, there is nothing the artist can do to remove or change from the painting. It is possible to adjust colors by adding more layers of paint. However, the point of view of the art itself should remain to the artist according to the picture and descriptions provided by a client. On my Etsy shop, I offer these illustrations and also have watercolor prints that you can choose from. But my specialty is doing original paintings like this one, where you can send a photo of the house or a wedding venue and I can illustrate it and paint it for you. of the materials that I use should ensure longevity, artwork is best hung out of direct sunlight. This is one of my favorite parts of painting, going through the little details of it. It doesn't have to look like the picture, but it has to be similar. You have to know where it comes from. Once you put the picture next to the illustration, they have to look similar. And doing these little details is so relaxing. It's just one of my favorite moments. I think one of the most perfect gifts you can give someone you love, like your parents, grandparents, some friends, your spouse, is just this beautiful house illustration. It just saves all the memories from your childhood or like your first house. It's just a beautiful gift in one piece of art. At the end of my illustration, I add more details using this white pen It just gives beautiful highlights to it. I sign my illustration and that's it. This is my custom order. My client is really happy and I am very happy too. I hope you like this video. Give me some like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.